Hello everyone! In this video we're going to learn how to talk about food. We'll learn how to pronounce words related to food. At the end of the video we're going to make some sentences with the new words. You listen and repeat. Ready? Let's do it. Let's talk about food. Listen and repeat. Things we do. Eat. Eat. Drink. Drink. Cook. Cook. Cut. Cut. Pour. Pour. Things we drink. Water. Water. Tea. Tea. Milk. Milk. Coffee. Coffee. Orange juice. Orange juice. Things we eat. Bread. Bread. Flour. Flour. Butter. Butter. Egg. Egg. Cheese. Cheese. Jam. Jam. Honey. Honey. Sugar. Sugar. Fruit. Fruit. Pear. Pear. Vegetables. Vegetables. Tomato. Tomato. Meat. Meat. Fish. Fish. Hamburger. Hamburger. Pizza. Pizza. Sandwich. Sandwich. Picnic. Picnic. Let's make sentences. Some people don't eat meat. Some people like to put milk in their coffee. She cooks food for her grandma every week. Pour some water in a cup and add your favourite tea bag. Drink your tea while it's hot. I like to have bread and butter with some jam for breakfast. A glass of orange juice in the morning is good for you. We use flour to make bread. Cut the sandwich in half and share it with your friend. We have some cheese and fruit, so let's go to the park and have a picnic. There's a pear tree under my window. My grandma grows vegetables in a garden. Have we got any eggs and sugar? I'd like to make a cake. Honey makes tea taste sweet. Can you put some tomatoes on my pizza, please? Mum put the fish in the oven. You made it, guys. Now, can you make your sentences and talk about food? Try it. Till next time, goodbye.